Introducing the Flitz Knife Restoration Kit. Fast, easy, and affordable. This all-in-one solution cleans, sharpens, and protects your serrated and conventional knives. First, sharpen with the DMT Diamond Sharpener. Place the bevel at an optimal angle. Stroke the edge forward, then flip, and repeat. Second, remove rust, fingerprints, and residue with Flitz Premium Liquid Polish. Apply a small amount to the surface and buff to a high luster with the reusable and washable Thick and Thirsty microfiber cloth. Third, apply Flitz Ceramic Gun and Knife Sealant to shield your blade from the elements with a protective coating. Bring old blades back to life and maintain new ones with the Flitz Knife Restoration Kit. Your kit includes one Flitz Premium Liquid Polish, one compact DMT Diamond Sharpening Stone, one Flitz Ceramic Gun and Knife Sealant, and one Thick and Thirsty Hunter's Orange microfiber cloth. Restore, sharpen, and protect with Flitz. Your knives deserve it.